Welcome to this Windows and computer channel. And as we are in the last day of 2020, and some of you, when you will watch this video, will probably already be in the new year, I just want to say that it's been a privilege to be posting videos and be, having so many people watching on this channel. We're more than 80,000 subscribers. We're possibly going to reach that 100,000 subscriber mark this year of 2021. And this is really fantastic. And I want to thank everybody that watched here these videos, that have continued being great fans of this channel, that I try to be kind of low-key. I want to make sure that this channel is down to earth and that it's for people that need to understand the technology around them. It's not for the experts. It's trying to explain to the common everybody that we are what technology is all about. And I hope I'm doing a good job at this. Also learning on, anything new, any security problems, anything that is happening as fast as I can, as up to date that we can to do. I want to thank everybody. I want to wish you, your family, and your friends the best of 2021. It's been a really rough year for a lot of us in 2020, and some more than others. It's been a year where maybe you had even more time to watch YouTube videos. It's been a year where I think what we understand is we need to stay together and be together as much as we can to help and continue forward. And hopefully, you'll have a great 2021. Hopefully, everything's going to be great. And I want to thank everybody for being great fans of this channel. My promise to you is that in 2021, I will do even better, and I will continue posting and helping out with your technology on this Windows and computer channel. Thank you, everybody. Happy New Year. Stay safe, and hope you have a great one. And don't drink too much alcohol. Take care, everyone. And thanks again for being great fans of this channel.